Let's go. There's no one. So,
Hi, I'm Chef Jack.
and I'm Chef Ryan.
And I'm Serena. And we're not only going to teach you how to make cookies, we're going to teach you how it relates to the stock market and how you should invest.
Let's get started.
Okay, so to start off, each of the ingredients that we have them representing a characteristic that helps you invest in the stock market. So we'll start with butter.
Thanks, Jack.
Thanks, Jack. And butter represents luck because we believe you need a little bit of luck to be able to successfully invest in the stock market.
But it's not the most important thing.
Next, we have semi-sweet chocolate chips. And semi-sweet chocolate chips represent knowledge of current events. It's important just to have a little bit of these so you make money.
True.
Our next ingredient for stock market investment and cookies is vanilla extract, which represents innovation. You want to invest in companies that innovate so that they can have a larger market share and profit potential, and so you can make more money in the end. Okay.
And next off, we have salt.
Okay.
It's okay. And salt we have representing diversification, which just means that we believe that you should have stocks in a lot of different kinds of markets. So just in case something bad happens in one particular market, you won't lose all your money because it's not all invested in that kind of product.
And the next thing is flour, as you can see. And that represents knowledge of insider transactions. And like how flour is the base of a cookie, knowledge of insider transactions is very important for investing in stocks because it is a very good indicator of whether there's growth or whether there's not growth.
Our next ingredient is awareness of competitors. It's important to know
Baking soda.
baking soda. It's important to know when investing in stocks and companies how competitors are doing, whether they're losing market share or gaining market share in relation to other companies in similar businesses.
Our next ingredient is brown sugar, and we have that representing just money because obviously you need money to invest in the stock market. You need money to make money.
Our last and probably most important ingredient is white sugar, which adds the sweetness of the cookies and is representing profit potential or how likely a company is to make profit, which determines the price of the stock, or that's what Nate told us at least. So I think that's it.
Okay, so let's get started.
Enjoy your cookies.
How do I do this?
Step 1. Learn how to preheat in the oven.
That's the white sugar portion.
Jack, don't talk.
Okay. I'm not talking anymore.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
It kind of smells funny.
It does. Something might be expired. It's okay.
Don't get that on tape.
Ready to go! Jack Lloyd has never had cookie dough because he's scared of salmonella.
It's a horrible disease.
I should never make a change.
We chose cookies as a method for the stock market because, like cookies, you gotta plan ahead when you're investing. You gotta look for certain ingredients or components of companies that you want to invest in. And like cookies, and stocks, if you mess up on one of these ingredients, you ruin it and you lose money.
Like we did.
Yeah, like we did.
It's okay.
But the important thing is you learn from your mistakes, and I think we did a lot of that.
Yeah, definitely. And another good thing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some of the cookies are gonna be burnt, not the ones we're gonna bring to you. Well, we won't.
I mean, some of you.
Some of you might get the burnt ones.
And those will represent the companies that didn't do so well.
Yeah.
And we're going to have some leftover dough that's not cooked to represent companies that are more of a long-term investment where the profits aren't readily available. Like these are 10-year investments that
So
are more secure.
And even, for example, Netflix, like nowadays, it's just going pretty slowly up. It is raising gradually, but just not in big leaps or anything. So for us, we weren't really able to make that much money off of it, but we did get some profit. But if we definitely had the stock in the long run, we would have made a lot more.
Bye.
You don't need to say bye.